my eyes and look out of
Watching
my
your
eyes.
eyes.
Energy,
Okay, good.
yes, energy came in Morocco to United States.
Okay, ready for that. I believe in energy. I'm a huge believer.
Okay. And take a breath. Yes.
Okay.
Deep breath. Again.
Okay.
Again. 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 Two more relax. Two more relax. One sleep. And deeper and deeper. Your mind, you cannot be clean. Your mind, you cannot be powerful. Your unconscious mind, you cannot be glad and happy. Your conscious mind, you cannot be glad and happy. Erase your stress in your subconscious mind. Clean your subconscious mind. Clean your subconscious mind. Clean your subconscious mind now. You can be motivation all your life, day after day, hour after hour. You can be motivation. You can have motivation all your life, day after day, hour after hour. You can be glad and happy. Glad and happy. I want to be glad and happy. You are glad and happy. You are glad and happy. I clean your subconscious mind. I erase your subconscious mind. I motivate your subconscious mind. I motivate your subconscious mind. I motivate your subconscious mind to be glad and happy. Glad and happy. Glad and happy. Glad and happy. You are glad and happy. Day after day, hour after hour, you can be glad and happy. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You can be glad glad and happy. I clean streets in your subconscious mind. I clean streets in your subconscious mind. You're gonna be fast. You're gonna be fast. Now you are fast. Your conscious mind is fast now. Your conscious mind is fast. Is very fast. Your body is very fast. Your body is very fast now. You can be fasting now. You can be happy now. You can be happy now. You can be glad and happy. You can be glad and happy. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Day after day, hour after hour, you're gonna be glad and happy. It's very powerful. Day after day, hour after hour, your subconscious mind is very quick, is very clean streets in your subconscious mind. Rather your subconscious mind. Now you're gonna be positive. Now you're gonna be positive. No, you're gonna be positive. No, you're taking it positive. No, day after day, hour after hour, you're gonna be positive. Day after day, hour after hour, you're gonna be positive all your life. You're gonna be positive all your life. Now, I want to count 5 to 1. You can wake up happy and glad. 5. You are happy and glad. 4. I want to wake up happy and glad. 3. Happy and glad. 2. You are happy and glad and very handsome. 2. You are happy and glad and very handsome. 1. Wake up glad and happy.
Wow. Oh, may all the blessings of the world come upon you. I don't know what just happened, but it was amazing. Thank you so much. I don't know which angel sent you, but you're incredible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's unbelievable. So obviously, you know this already, but my whole body, I felt like I couldn't move my arms, lift, like, my mind was with you, was with your voice, but my whole body was like paralyzed in a good way, in another dimension.
Yes.
That was
Yes.
amazing. Thank you
Yes.
so much. You're so
You're
kind.
you're welcome. You're feeling good now. You are happy and glad.
I am happy and glad, and I feel amazing. I actually feel amazed that some of the things that I have particularly been struggling with recently, I'm not going to struggle with those things anymore, but, are due to, I feel like I can't be fast enough. I can't think clearly enough. I can't get things done
Yes.
in the way that I want to without stress. But now that's hopefully changed. So thank you
No,
so much.
yes, day after day and hour after hour, you can be positive.
Absolutely. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. That's incredible.
Yes.
What part of heaven were you from again?
You know, I am in Morocco and I am in Marrakech city. You're welcome.
Okay, well, thank you.
Morocco, it's very beautiful country. Morocco is in Africa, but it's very close to Europe.
I
It's,
have friends. Yeah, friends from Morocco. I've worked with a couple of people from Morocco, and they've shared great things about their home country with me, but I've never been there. So yeah, I'll have to travel someday.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Including your practice, which I
And
hope will, be blessed with a lot of popularity. Totally deserved, by the way. I feel like I've just received 10 massages, or I don't know how to how to compare this feeling. It's incredible. Thank you.
it's incredible feeling now.
Yes, it is.
You are your body. It's very fast now, and your mind. It's very fast, and you feel you feeling special feelings now.
Yes, I am feeling special things now. I feel like I've left
Like,
all of
you
these a
know,
lot of layers of stress behind.
yeah. It's it's like if you fly.
Yes. Yes, it
It's the
is.
same.
It really is. I don't know what I've done to deserve this, but I'll take it. Thank you.
If you want to have a special seance, you can come to Morocco.
Oh wow. I can't even imagine how much more powerful it
Yeah,
would be
you
in
know,
person.
I have a lot of diplomat or certificates of hypnosis. It's not just I am.
You're the real thing. Oh my goodness.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
You should be world famous. My goodness. And
You are lucky today to speak with me, and
I am. I am. I'm so incredibly lucky, and I don't know what your motivation is for doing this for me today, but I want to tell you that I'm going to try to take this feeling and do good things for other people with
yeah,
it. So I'm going to try to put it back out into the world.
I am hypnosis and I work with energy. It's not just there are a lot of people, a lot of hypnosis people, but me, I work with energy inside my eyes. I have a lot of energy inside my body, and with this energy I can clean all stress inside the mind. I can erase subconscious mind, unconscious mind, conscious mind. I can give them a lot of good feelings.
That's incredible. I think I would like to study with you, actually.
Yes.
So
You're welcome.